Hello friend, welcome back to another Audacity tutorial. And today's video I'm going to show you how you can export audio file into an MP3 with Audacity. Well, if you are done with your video, I'm going to show you how you can actually export audio. How you can actually export it as MP3. Once you are finished with your work, just go to the file, and then once you click on file, you're gonna see export. So you could see export, and you could see export as mp3 as wave. So it's mp3 we actually really wants to actually do. So now what you just have to do is for you to write the file name. So I'm gonna save it as a podcast. I'm gonna save it as podcast, and then after saving it, then there are some other things you really have to do. Oh, I think I'm having a problem with my keyboard, so sorry. Okay, now let's continue. Now the quality, when you click on the quality, the best thing is to actually put it at a standard. But if you need a very powerful quality, but the sound, the size will be very big, you can put it to insane. But let us actually work with a standard one, and the extension is mp3 as the normal one. Then the variable speed, let's also leave it as standard, and then the channel, let's leave it as joint stereo. And then you just click on save, and once you click on save, it's still going to say your track will be mixed down and exported as one stereo. Then you click on OK, and then here you can actually add some metadata here. And then, oh, my keyboard, I need to really okay. So the track title, you can just you can still put it there as a podcast. Just say pod, and the album title, then track number, year, you can give it the year you really want. And then after that, you can the gen, you don't actually need it. And then the software, just delete this to Google. And then other one, you don't really need the metadata, or you may not even need to input all these things, except you just decided and wish to put it there. You just click on OK, and it will begin to export as audio as a standard precept, and then you will have your audio as an mp3. And then let me quickly see if I can quickly look for the export. And okay, this is the Audacity file, and then you could see that it is here as podcast. And then the metadata, the reason why we have to put that metadata is by the time you come to this property, and then you see all these detail, the metadata will actually be here. And then this is how to actually export audio into an mp3 using an Audacity software. Please subscribe to this channel. If you want to know more about Audacity software, check out this playlist. See you in the next video.